Hey everyone, and welcome back to my IGTV. So today I am on here to discuss a new product that I've been using recently that helps my skin stay so clear. So I have just done my hair and got out of the shower, been working out this morning, and I've got absolutely nothing on my face. I have got a couple of blemishes on there, but for me this is actually quite good. So some of you might have already seen a similar product to this called the Hollywood Browzer, and the same brand have actually brought out now the Hollywood Smoother. So it's similar, but it's just a little bit better. It's like the other one's like a manual toothbrush, and this one is like the Oral-B electric toothbrush. It's just that little bit more. It just takes dermaplaning to the next level. So what this is it's a 2-in-1 hair removing, exfoliating, dermaplaning beauty tool. That was a mouthful, but we got there. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is really, really cute, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. The idea behind the Beauty Smoother is that it removes the top layer of the dead, dull skin. I sometimes get a little bit of peach fuzz as well, thanks to my mum, she gets it so bad. And it just removes that and just reveals the radiant, bright skin underneath. So you get this cute little Hollywood Browzer pad as well, and you go at a 45-degree angle, and you just go on your skin where you feel comfortable to do it. And I'll just show you just from that one wipe what has come off my skin. So that is all the dead skin cells, literally from that small section that I don't want on my skin. Another benefit I found from this, it's literally got 8,000 vibrations per minute, which is just crazy, is that my makeup and my skincare products actually sit better on my skin. So once I've used it in the desired places, if I'm then to go and put on some makeup, I just find it sits better. I'm just going to show you that as well. It just sits better on my skin, like my skin absorbs the moisturiser and the creams that I use more. I also like to use it on this area where I also get like little spots and stuff. It just removes the surface of them. It's so satisfying to use as well. So now that I'm happy with my smooth results, I feel like my skin is a bit more bright. I'm going to carry on with my day and repeat this process next week. I wouldn't say to do it any more than that, just because you do need to give your skin a break, and it's just never good to just overdo it. So check it out, let me know what you think, and there'll also be a discount code in the little IGTV box there, so make sure you check it out.